items worth $500. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm actually a very crazy Taobao lover. I really appreciate buying things from Taobao. And this is my massive buy from 1111. I'm gonna do an unboxing of my Taobao buys, so hope you guys enjoy. These items worth $500. Wow. Not everything is mine, some is my dad. Okay, so let's just see what I have gotten. So first up, I don't know what is this, Yao Dai. Yao Dai cannot be. I gotten quite a number of winter wear because I'm going to Korea end of this year. So some of it can be quite expensive. I actually ordered one other one, which is my pink duffel jacket. It didn't manage to make it into this shipment, but it arrived earlier than them. Oh, this is a top. So I saw Rose actually went to YSL party with like this kind of top, like the very formal kind, and I'm going to Hong Kong, so I thought like I could bring out their vibes. This should be my item. Ooh, okay. So these days I'm being very crazy with press-on kit. So this is my press-on kit, and just, okay, you know what, let me just tell you guys the price in case you guys are interested. I'll put all the link in the description box down below so you guys can grab it. I don't earn any commission on anything. Ooh. It's not what I expected, but this is definitely a miss. Oh my god. Buying Taobao is like lucky draw, you know. The design looks so pretty, but then when I receive the press-on kit, it doesn't look as nice. Ooh, help. It costs about $3 Sing, which is not that bad. It's like renminbi $15. But I'm just very disappointed because I wanted to paste it during the festive season. Okay, moving on. There's this. Okay, this is my checkered skirt, which I hope I can fit. It's actually very affordable. And this is a link that one of my friends gave it to me. It's like a more school style, which I want to match it with like my winter wear when I go to Disneyland in Hong Kong. This costs renminbi 45, which is $8 Sing. It's so affordable and the quality seems really good. It's quite thick. Oh, and it has like a... Oh, and it's a skirt. Oh, I love it. Oh my god. So when the wind blows, no one can see underneath. Perfect. Perfect. This is a good buy. Actually, I shouldn't cut it. So there's one time I actually cut open my bustle, like the clothes. I just like pierce it through. Oops. Ooh. So this is like a vest, I would say a knitted vest. This is obviously the school girl look. So this vest looking thing, it costs about renminbi $89. So 90 divided by 5 is... 90 divided by 5 much? 10 plus 90 divided by 5. $18. Oh, this is 18 Sing dollars. This is also for press-on kit. Hopefully it's a pass because I bought it from different like shops and all based on the design lah. But the first one looks like a disappointment. I think the second one might be also. Oh, this looks so much more expensive. Oh my god. This looks so pretty. Oh my god. This is so pretty. This is double the price. This is renminbi $26. So round up 30 divided by 5 is $6 Sing. I'd rather get this. This quality looks so much better. This one I exactly know what it is. It is actually a hair curler. I don't know how to use it, my friend Jackie actually mentioned that he knows how to use it, so I'm counting on him to actually teach me. Maybe we should have like him on my video so that he could show us how to put nice makeup and also like fabulous hair, because I'm very sure his makeup looks 100 times nicer than mine. Ooh! I like to buy things that I don't even know how to use, but I want to use it overseas. Okay, whatever. That's yeah. Oh, this is the auto one. Oh my god, I'm so smart. Oh my god, in the end I buy the auto one. Yes. Oh, so this is like the auto one, so it will automatically turn. Oh, but this is 32 mm for sure, because it's quite small. Maybe I can play on my own instead. Okay. I'm a little bit excited now. Maybe I'll have like videos of me trying out this hair curler. I can't put it back, so let's move on. Oh, I think this is the heaviest one. It's leather jacket. Oh, I always wanted a leather jacket. I don't know why I have this like little fetish over it. It feels quite warm, okay. And it has this little like details that is popping out. So I like that badass girl kind of look. This is probably the most expensive one. It's 170 renminbi, which is $34. I just divide by 5 in general, so it's easier to do the math. I think this is all my knitted tops. Oh yeah, so this knitted tops, I bought like 3 colors. This color is not what I ordered. Aiyo, I ordered like a bit of greyish, but it came out to be like greenish. God, I hate this kind of grey. But it's actually really nice. It's like a high collared shirt. I got it black and white to match my winter style with my high boots. All this is 276. The grey one, which is the disappointment, is actually more expensive. All this is $55 Sing dollars, which is like 10-ish per item, which is still okay. I think I'm going to sell away the grey one because it's like greenish color, which is not my vibes. This is definitely my shoe. I bought like a high cut boots. Usually I buy boots on Taobao because Singapore has no winter, and sometimes if the shoe don't feel comfortable or my luggage has no space, we are sacrificing these boots. Okay, wait. It's not within what I expected, because I expect it to be like stand on its own. Oh my god, I couldn't fit. How dare I? Holy shit, I can't fit. Oh, it's a zip that I didn't sit down. Oh my god, it fits perfectly. This looks really nice. Oh my god, thank god I managed to fit. And the boots cost 58 renminbi, which is 11. So coming down to the last 2 items, home. Let me just open both up. Might not be mine, because I do share this with my other friend. Let's see. What is this? Oh yeah. Oh my god, you know the things that she buys seems so atas, right? It actually gives her like a nice box, but nah, we're not giving her the nice box. And I think this is also hers, if I'm not wrong. Let me have a look. Oh no, this is my scarf. So this is a scarf that I bought for John, because we are going to Korea and he's like super afraid of cold. This scarf costs 41 renminbi, which is $8 Sing. So that's it. That's the end of my $500 puzzle. There's a lot of items on the floor actually. I think the most expensive one is definitely the leather jacket, the shirts, mostly the winter items, and this actually also included in the $500 item. It's the pink puffle jacket. This is one of my true love. It's $30 Sing. Pretty nice, so I'm gonna wear it a lot in Korea for my photos. that's the end of my unboxing of Taobao video. If you like this kind of video, please make sure to comment, tell me you like it, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!